Hey guys, welcome to Graphic Novels, and we are moving into social commentary. So, talking about graphic novels as social commentary. Our desired result is, what value do graphic novels have as a literary medium? At the end of the lesson, you'll be able to understand how graphics can be used to comment and critique the world around us. So, true or false, graphics can be used as a persuasive tool. True. So, graphics, including cartoons, comics, and graphic novels, can be extremely persuasive. Writers and artists use graphics, and they comment on, critique, and criticize the world around us. Um, we can find these in they'll be using these things in current events, politics, specific people or society, or things that they'll draw to use. So, social commentary, what is that? So, that's another word for a text or graphic that comments on issues and problems that affect the real world. So, possible purposes are they're trying to warn the audience about concerns that they think they should be concerned about. They want to persuade the audience to get involved to make some type of change. They might criticize actual problems or events, and they want to impart an important theme or lesson. So if we can see here, it says another year of record warm temps. You see polar bears, and it says we catch your drift. So this is obviously referring to global warming. So we can see that global warming is causing them to melt, and they're all the ice caps to melt, and they're kind of all hanging on one. So there's a little fact here that says a recent study listing 2016 as the second warmest year on record has provoked comment from this cartoonist. So we can see that this cartoonist chose to write about that issue of global warming. We're going to be learning about persuasive techniques used in graphics, especially symbolism. So this one is talking about unregulated greed and this idea that it's already occupied and Occupy Wall Street. It's talking about kind of like the greediness that takes place on Wall Street. We'll be reading political cartoons and X-Men. So this says it's 1987. Do you know what your children are? And it says, you know what your children are. So this is paid for by the citizens in support of the Mutant Registration Act. So this is calling this one a mutie because he must be a mutant. And that'll make a little bit more sense too if you know about X-Men or as we get into X-Men. So to review the desired result, what value do graphic novels have as a literary medium? And at the end of the lesson, you should be able to understand how graphics can be used to comment and critique the world around us.